Grace and peace. As I was taken into the spread, I saw this new political party, the MK, and now I started inquiring from the Lord, what's happening? What's this about? And the Lord said, Uguti, it is one of the greatest parties in South Africa to form a revolution. But then uNkulunkulu then took me and placed the MK side by side in a cope. And he said to me, people must be warned, because the same downfall, a cope, is going to be duplicated to MK, because I'm seeing people rushing to MK because of position. They are rushing because of position. They're saying, let us join early so that we can be placed. Kuma VDs, we can be placed. Kuma council committees, we can be placed. Kuma provincial, local, national. They are running for position, then running for impact in the political party. I'm seeing later that the same people who ran to the party start moving out because they will not find what they are looking for. Now, God is saying I must advise. And in this whole advice, advise people in understanding Uguti, the party MK has high possibility of being the third biggest party in the country. These coming elections. Now, this, what I'm saying, is possibility. But what's going to happen is going to be opposite to what I'm saying. Now, the Lord carry on to say, Uguti, for the leaders, the MK, choose your media leaders very careful, because I'm seeing a selection made. I'm seeing a presentation, my leaders, and I'm seeing supporters pulling back because they are saying this is not what we thought it was. So for now, what I'm saying is unclear. For now, what I'm saying is going to be criticized. People are going to write all they write. But when it happens, you will remember that I advised and I warned. Number one, have proper structure on who joins. Let them join for the organization, but not for position, because the mandate is lost already. Most of these people who are Mkhonto Sizwe alliances, Mkhonto Sizwe advocating, they're advocating position in the party, in the organization. So I'm not going to say much. The party is still new. I'm respecting the president, Jacob Zuma, respecting everyone in that organization. But if you are a diehard of that political party, remember, what killed Cope was hunger for power. The same that's going to kill the MK is going to be hunger for power. For those who have ears, they'll hear. And those who don't, they'll write or comment section, whatever what they have to write. But may God bless you. May God favor you.